Are you someone who looks at your digital calendar and it kind of gives you like anxiety? Either because it's overwhelming or it just doesn't look the way you want it to look. That was me until I figured out how to make my Google Calendar aesthetically pleasing, and it has revolutionized my day-to-day life. And I know that sounds dramatic, but the colors that natively come on Google are just not my vibe. And I just want everything I work with to be my vibe, if you understand what I'm saying. So today I'm going to show you how to get the aesthetic Google Calendar of your dreams that you did not even know you needed. I'm Lauren with The Smarter Creative, and I am helping creative entrepreneurs work smarter in their business rather than harder, and I am so glad that you are here. I'm an avid Google user. I'm also an Apple user, but I would rather use the Google Calendar, not the Apple Calendar feature on like my mobile device, my desktop, just because I like everything to be as streamlined as possible, and I really like the features that are available in the native Google Calendar Gmail account. Like, it's just better using their systems. I don't have the words for it right now to tell you all about it, but that is what I know. I like it better. And I actually don't connect most of my calendars to my Apple Calendar because of that. But Google overall just has a little bit of like an elementary feel to it. I don't know, it just feels not as polished and refined as the Apple platforms and their user interface really feels. So to help me make it so I can enjoy both the features of the native apps and the aesthetic of them, I have figured out how to, and this is not a new feature, I did not come up with this, I learned it and I've been using it and I just want to share it, how to change my calendar colors to just match my brand and my aesthetic in my day-to-day life. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I do that. Okay, so I have a new business calendar that I want to set up. I'm going to take you on my journey, but I want to make it just like on brand for this business. So right now, all I have is like the main calendar, birthdays, reminders, tasks, and then there's holidays in the United States that Google automatically adds to my calendar. And reminders and tasks come from these guys. So my tasks here, when I give it a due date, it will land on my calendar, and then reminders come in somewhere. I don't really know where off the top of my head. It's fine. But I also want like some other calendars. So let's go ahead and add that. I want to create a new calendar. Let's go ahead and call it, create it, and let's do general, create it. All right. And I have all of these calendars. And so if I add a general meeting, which I can change here to general, ignore my typo, and then maybe we add an all day thing here that is clients, so working on client tasks. Okay, so to me this is not on vibe, this whole look. And then like let's add a task, remind Sally about the thing. And I can add a date and time, so I can say the 16th at 11, perfect. And then here, it's going to be on here. And I'm getting my reminder that it was due yesterday, so I have a pending task for today, as it's not checked off yet. So all these colors aren't really on brand because this is my brand colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and like grab one of these codes, and we're gonna start to change our colors here. So I'm going to hit those three dots, hit a plus button, and then I can add my own hex code here. So already we're better. I'll do that color. I go, say it's kind of the lighter side. So my client, paste my hex. Perfect, so now that changed there. And then my general, I'll do lighter if I can copy and paste. Perfect. I want to get my tasks. I'll probably do my tasks on like this bright color. Maybe even I'll do my reminders in a different color. But I'll do my tasks. Okay. Well, it's brighter, but it's still on theme, right?
And then reminders. I don't have any here, but when it hits, I like it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this birthday calendar and my holidays calendar in the same like lighter color for consistency on just like what general things are happening. Because right now, like, Thanksgiving's automatically added here for the States for this next week. I don't know when I'm filming this ahead of time. Sorry, y'all. But we're gonna put it here. Save, and now that changes. So now all of my appointments and things, everything that's gonna get created is gonna be on brand for me. When I come to this appointment, it'll all look right. And I don't know why, but like I think like fighting cognitive dissonance, right? Like I come to here and this is what I want to see. I hate seeing all these colors. Like, no thank you, I'm gonna back out of that. I need to update my photo here so this isn't a terrible orange color. I want this as simple and as on brand as possible so that I'm excited to come over to my calendar and see everything there. It truly makes a difference when you have everything on your calendar and it all looks cohesive. I wouldn't say it makes me more productive, but it helps with showing up in the ways that I organize myself.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. I put videos out every week helping you work smarter in your business rather than harder. And yes, your aesthetic in your business matters because you got to be excited to show up and work with the tools and the systems that you have set in place to make your business thrive. So be sure to follow my channel if this connected with you and turn on your notifications. And I will see you guys next week.